QuickBooks POS is being discontinued. If you operate a store and use QuickBooks POS, you may have heard that QuickBooks is retiring its point-of-sale system. While this is unpleasant news, there's a silver lining. Shopify, one of the major e-commerce platforms, has a top-notch POS system that can easily replace QuickBooks point-of-sale. In this video, we'll go through some of the important features of Shopify POS and explain why switching is a smart option. Ease of use. One of the best things about Shopify Point of Sale is how simple it is to use. The interface is simple and intuitive, so you'll be able to use it right away. Furthermore, Shopify provides great customer service in the event that you encounter any issues. Click the link below to speak with a professional about if switching is the best option for you. Feature-rich? Shopify POS has all of the capabilities you need to run your business efficiently, such as inventory management, order monitoring, and reporting. Perhaps most importantly, Shopify connects easily with the rest of the Shopify platform. So if you're currently using Shopify for e-commerce, making the transition to point of sale will be simple. Affordable price. Shopify's pricing options are incredibly inexpensive, especially given all of the features available. You may join up for a free 14-day trial to test out the system before committing to one of Shopify's monthly subscriptions. Overall, switching from QuickBooks POS to Shopify POS is a no-brainer, so why wait? QuickBooks POS is being phased out, but don't worry, Shopify has you covered with its feature-rich and simple-to-use point-of-sale system. Making the changeover is a fantastic choice for any shop owner searching for a dependable and economical solution. So what are you waiting for? Try Shopify POS now. Click the link below to speak with an expert one-on-one.